Alright, welcome to the presentation on how to create an automatic updater. So, if you haven't watched my first video, you'd better, because then you're going to be missing a lot, because we're going to make the next part of the updater that makes it check automatically for updates. So first go to Form 1, and it doesn't matter what you've done with that. That's your own program, of course, but it needs to be Form 1. Okay. Now, double click Form 1. That's perfect. We want private sub Form 1 underscore load and all that. Okay. So, then I'm going to get some code from Form 1 here. Just, see. And, okay, yes. Okay, first what you're going to want to do, write in this code and replace 1.0.4 with your version number. For me, it's going to be 1. Okay? So you're going to want that. Actually, first, sorry, we want that above. Okay, very good. Now, let me go get some more code. And again, you're going to have to copy, you're going to have to, yeah, this will take some. Okay, so now, copy this code. Now, you can go ahead and, now I'm going to have to change this up a little bit for myself. Let me see. So, updates.show dialog. So let me see. Oh, mine is updater. So see, you're gonna need, you might need to change a couple things, and we're gonna have to change the links in here. So copy all the code. I know that's the tedious part, but it's one of the most important. So, all right, now that you copied the code, except you do not need to copy the links. So know that. So now we're gonna replace this link with the link we made in Drive. Remember that? So let's go back to Google Drive here. We need to go downloads here. Okay, and then just copy the version link, version.txt link. Just that. That's all you need. And let's go back here and replace it with this. See, sometimes it doesn't like it the way I select. Okay, paste, and then do the same thing to do the exact same thing. There's 2 of them. So you got to do that. Paste both there. Okay, and now let me check. Oh yes, there's going to be a couple things you're going to have to fix. I want to change this, instead of Eric Free, my other program, I want to change it to updating projects. And you're going to want to change it to your own as well. So just change it to what your program is called. Okay, same thing. Updating projects. Okay, and let me see. That should be good. Now let's test it to make sure. Oh, first we've got one more thing we need to do. Now at this point, want to go to version and enter the latest version you have in this document. So just name it. Just put like mine is 1. And then in download link, put the download link where they're going to download the new version. So I'll just put in the text file. It'll work with any, exe file or anything, but just for the example, I'm just going to do this. And then that's good. And then what's new? Just put whatever is new. Testing program. I'm just going to put whatever. There's one thing we missed. Go back to Drive, select all, click share. You don't need any link. For some reason, it won't work until you've shared it. Click done. This should work as soon as the server updates. Yep. See? There's nothing. Perfect. All right. So yeah, your updater is done. Now, just to make sure, we can change our version number and say it's 0.5. So it's, and now it's going to say there's a new version available. And then, see, it says blah blah. So if we click download, it actually downloads the file. See, just downloaded it. So, yeah, that's how you make an automatic updater, and it should work. Now, every time you are going to update your program, make sure the variable matches the program version. Like if your version right now is 2, put 2. If it's 2.5, put 2.5 in there. And then I'll in the last video I will show you how to publish an update. So see you then.